Today I'm going to show you how to crochet another easy purse handle. I'm working with a 6.5mm crochet hook and some chunky yarn. Place your hook inside the ring, pick up the yarn and pull it through, and then just lock it in by taking one stitch with both the yarn end and the working yarn. And that'll count as the first single crochet. Now make 2 more single crochet in the ring. Okay, 3 single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Make a half double crochet in that very first stitch. Yarn around the hook, come over, insert the hook, pick up the yarn and pull it through all 3 loops. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Yarn around the hook, come over to that very first stitch, insert the hook through that stitch, and then turn the work. And then complete a half double crochet. Now you're going to repeat that over and over. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn around the hook, come over, insert into that very first stitch. Now turn the work, pick up the yarn and pull it through all 3 loops. 1, 2, 3, yarn around the hook, come over to that very first stitch, insert the hook, turn the work, pick up the yarn, pull it through. You just keep doing that over and over, like that. And then when you have it the correct length, you're going to place your ring in front of the yarn, pick up the yarn and pull it through the ring, pick up the yarn and pull it through, and now complete 2 more single crochet, 1, 2, now come over to the other side and slip stitch to join, and that will be the other end of your handle. And there you go, that's how easy it is to crochet this purse handle. Thanks for watching, bye for now.